What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? SqeekiE coming at you with a brand new update vlog. First of all, you guys are probably wondering, well, in your vlogs, you're usually walking around, and right now you're sitting in one spot. Well, I'll explain that to you. My stupid iPhone ran out of space, and I don't think you can take the back off or do anything with it to take like an SD card out for more memory. So I am using my brand new Logitech webcam with 1080p capability. It's a really good webcam, so I'm super excited about it. Quality might not, well, probably won't be as good as, like on a phone where it might be a little laggy or spacey here and there on the webcam. But I'm doing with what I got. And what I got right now is a webcam and a laptop. So, it's great. But I'm super excited for this update vlog because I am going to explain to you guys what is going to be happening in the very near future. I was talking to one of my buddies who lives back in Arizona, and I was talking to him about a PC. Right now, I got this webcam to do a face cam on my gameplay videos. Well, right now my laptop does not have very good capability to do the gameplay and the webcam at the same time, which is really shitty. It's unfortunate. It does some glitches here and there on the video, so it's really unfortunate. But I was talking to him, and he spent all night one night just because he's freaking awesome, for one. Excuse me. And looked at probably hundreds and hundreds of PC parts, and came to me in the middle of the night while I was sleeping because I had to work at 5 o'clock in the morning. Sent me a link to these PC parts that he's picked out for a PC build, which I am going to be doing within the next couple of months. I'm way excited for it. I'm super nervous for it because I'm really bad when it comes to PCs. That's why, at first my videos are going to be kind of just plain Jane, but as I get the ball rolling and stuff like that, get more and more programs, they will be amazing videos. I took audio and visual class in high school, so I was super advanced in video editing. So I made videos all the time in that class. I mean, it was a year-round class. It wasn't just like it was a semester or quarter or anything like that. It was a full year school that I took these classes for. So yeah, I'm super excited for it. Like I said, I'm really nervous for it because I've never even touched a PC part in my life. I've never touched capture card. I've never touched fan vents. I've never touched a motherboard, anything like that. But he has actually done a really good job at finding me really good starter PC, possibly even more of a starter than I would ever imagine. It's gonna be, it's not like it's a couple grand that I'm gonna be throwing out the window. It's gonna be cheaper, money cost wise, not cheaper in quality wise. He's really, he's really good at the PC kind of thing like that. So it's really awesome that he was able to pick it out and find it for me one night rather. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. It's the whole reason why it started was because I can't use my webcam and gameplay, and that's one thing that I think is very key to gameplay videos is the fact that, you know, you seeing the person's face playing the game, say it's a scary game like Until Dawn or The Evil Within or The Outlast or Amnesia, you know, whatever scary game it is, you don't, in my eyes, I would much rather see the person like freak out and jump than just hear them scream. Because you don't know whether it's fake scream for the views or whether it's a real scream, you know. And in my eyes, I'd much rather see the person be like, you know, just sit there and be like, you know, and jump and freak out when the video, when you get scared, those jump scares. So that's just one reason why. Second reason why is I don't think, in fact, I know I wouldn't be able to do very good video editing with the basic laptop that I have right now. The thing I'm going to be doing with my laptop is actually going to be probably using it for Twitch chat. So when I'm on Twitch and live streaming, I'm going to be using that solely for chat. Possibly other things. I'm not too sure. But anyway, I'm just super excited about it. I'm excited for the PC build. And I hurt my back yesterday at work, so that's why I'm kind of moving around right now. And I'm not trying to show you this freaking awesome ass shirt. A kitty DJ with other cats in the stand with their paws up, waving them around like they just don't care. But yeah. So I just wanted to push this video out for you guys. Tomorrow I am actually going to dinner at Red Robin with my parents. I'm super excited because I haven't been to Red Robin in God knows how long, and that is probably one of my favorite restaurants. I know it's very basic and plain, but gourmet burgers to me are just, it's American. I love it. I love burgers. You know, I'm looking forward to just a monster burger with, you know, bottomless steak fries and pounding a couple burgers and just enjoying the day. It was unfortunate. My birthday was in the middle of the week. I had a great birthday. It was just very plain Jane, relaxing, you know, open a few cards and stuff like that because I'm too old for gifts, which is fine. I love opening, you know, anything is great to receive. So yeah, it was just very basic, very plain Jane. I loved it. I loved enjoying the day. It wasn't stressful for me at all. Just, I'm 23 now. I'm just getting older. I'm 23. That's it. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So right now, I'm hoping to be posting this video as we speak, obviously because you'll be watching it. But that's my main plan. After this video, I am probably going to be doing some Fallout 3 gameplay videos. Now tomorrow, because we don't have a Robin in St. Cloud yet, we actually have to go down to the cities. So tomorrow I will probably start the upload for the Fallout 3 video. One of them, not both of them, one of them. The other one will probably be left for later in the week. We'll see, because we're currently probably out of data already. It's really weird time. I think it goes 22nd to 22nd. That's just when my parents signed up for it, so that's when I'm going to have to deal with it. But it's probably going to be really super slow upload, if it does upload at all. If not, then I'll have to figure something out with it. But anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know on what's going on. I'm pretty giddish about this PC build because I'm just excited to have a PC that'll be able to play like H1Z1, CSGO, all those games that I always watch on Twitch. I will be able to play now, and I'm super excited for that because they look like a good time. They really do. So I'm super excited about it. So I love your guys' faces. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for listening to me just ramble on about one specific topic. I really appreciate it. All my links will be in the description below. Please go and check those out. Right now, they're very basic. They're just, that's where I post the video. But later on in the future, they will be like when I'm streaming, why I'm not streaming. Oh my God, there's a tornado warning, and I'm gonna die, so I'm hiding in the garage somewhere or hiding somewhere so I don't die. But yeah, so that's basically the plan right now. And I love your guys' faces, like I said. Enjoy your weekend. And if you guys are having that 3-day weekend, have fun with it. Don't do anything stupid though. Enjoy it and just relax. And plan a sober ride, please, because I don't want to hear anything stupid about potential friends getting hurt or possibly getting in a fatal car accident or anything stupid like that. Just please be safe. I love your guys' faces. Remember to check out the links below. And have a great day. Have a safe weekend. Love your guys' face.